My stylist, Law, you know, it was one of several options we had as Guy LaRoche, and when I put it on, we both were like, obvious. You know, yeah, I mean.
This is a fantabulous and crazy ride, and you'll love it.
Oh, the fun that we had off screen. You know, just, you know, I'm kind of guilty that I brought the fun after hours in my trailer, but we had a blast, you know, and even on the weekends, we all hung out together and it was fantastic. You know, that's very rare on a film. It really is, you know, because we weren't on a location shoot. Well, for me it was, but for the other women, it was not. And so that was fantastic. And on set, we just had fun. It was easy, you know, and I love the fact that we all can kick ass.
It's a bonkers joyride, you know, it's really funny, and then it turns on a dime and it's super dark and scary and it's cool.
Kind of amazing. I mean, it means so much, and you know, these people have grown up with these characters, so it's a lot of responsibility, but it's also extremely exciting.
I'd really like to say something.